Dropshipping for beginners. A complete guide to dropshipping. Looking to build a successful online business? This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about running a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you send your customers' orders to a manufacturer or wholesaler, and they send the products directly to your customer. You never see or touch the products in the process. How dropshipping works. Set up an online store and list your products for sale. Drive traffic to your website and make sales. Your supplier is notified when you make a sale. You pay the supplier. Your supplier ships item to your customer. You handle customer service. 5 steps to running a successful dropship business. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping works like this: you get an order on your website from a customer. Then, you send that order to your supplier. Finally, your supplier ships the order to your finding products to sell. Not all products are a great fit for the dropshipping model. Some work very well, and others will never get your business off the ground. This section will cover everything. Finding great suppliers. Your supplier will have a major impact on your dropshipping business. If they mess something up, you'll be the one answering to the customer. Choosing the right day-to-day operations. There's more to running a dropshipping business than building a website and selling products. This section will cover all the day-to-day operations of running a successful scaling your store. If you sell online, you need to pay careful attention to Amazon.com and learn as much as you can about the giant retailer. This is true even if you want to know what sells best online. We'll send you our top 4 niches for 2020. These are niches you can almost always make good profit in. We'll also give you contact details for our favorite suppliers in those niches, so you can get started selling today. Looking for products to dropship? Learn how to get started and find suppliers for successful products. Please check the link in description to get full detail. For more updates, subscribe and share this feed.